Hi there and welcome to a closer look at the Vabches over the toilet storage cabinet, a stylish farmhouse piece that maximizes your bathroom space. Crafted from advanced engineering wood, it features neutral wood grain in a rectangular design that blends with many decor styles. This storage cabinet includes sliding barn doors to hide towels and toilet paper, plus open shelves for easy access to essentials. Inside, you'll find a customizable 3-position adjustable shelf to accommodate items of various sizes. The vertical cabinet is specially designed to store paper rolls neatly, keeping your bathroom clutter-free. Measuring 67 by 32 by 7.7 inches, it fits perfectly over most toilets without taking up extra floor space. Assembly is simple with step-by-step instructions, and customer support is available if needed. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.